My name is Miles Griffiths. I'm at St. Mary Catholic High School. My mom says I'm a firebug, and I do kind of like fire, and I like how it lights up and kind of melts the metal together. This is my first experience with welding. It's also my first experience with electrical this morning. A little nervous about doing it, but I was like, when I got into it, all the butterflies left, and I was kind of excited to start.
I'm Connor Poulin. I'm from St. Mary's Catholic High School. A lot of people, a lot of teachers around schools and a lot of parents have been telling me to do some trades. I said, why not? They seem enjoyable, and I think I like hands-on stuff. So this is your main turn off and on switch, and then we had to connect these. This is D-streamed, and we connected these to these these inputs and outlooks. So the outlooks are looking to do something, and the inputs are looking to like grab something. So the inputs go here because they're looking to grab the energy, and the outputs go into here to make this turn on and off and make the motor go.
The mobile training labs allow St. Lawrence College to be anywhere. They allow us to engage with the communities within our region, and they allow us to train and introduce students to the trades at a scale we haven't been able to do before. We're trying to engage with students that haven't yet set their pathway where they're going next, so they get a chance to try things that they haven't done before. We've had a lot of excitement and a lot of support from the schools, both in terms of the on-site staff, as well as the OYAP coordinators and dual credit coordinators. I think that without the support of the Catholic District School Board of Eastern Ontario, none of this would be possible.
I think I want to stick with the electrical trade. I'm looking to go 2 years of business and then go into the trades. So then if I ever want to get my own business on a molder for electric, then I can.
My dad's told me you can get a lot of good money working in the trades, so I was looking into it just to see, because I want to be an officer in the military, but I also might want to do the trades if that doesn't work out. I want to leave all my options open, so that way I know I'm not getting into something I don't want to do. But I did enjoy the welding. It was definitely an experience I would like to do again.